Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing really well. Just want to start off by saying thank you to everyone who has already subscribed and supports my channel, and also like who rates my videos, comments on them. It's so much appreciated. But if you are watching and you aren't subscribed, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button, guys. Also, there's links to all my other socials just down below in the description, so if you want to take a look on Facebook, Instagram or Twitter, just have a look down there as well. Right, so for today's look, as you've already seen, it's going to be quite gory, so let's get it started. Let's get these eyebrows on. So taking a black and purple shade from any sort of palette you have, I'm going to be using the James Charles one, so it'll be the shade Spooky and the shade Escape, which is this darker purple one here. We're going to do the eyes. I'm not going to base these ones down today because it's not going to fit very well with the zombie sort of style character that I'm going for, and I'm going to want to mess them up a little bit, so let's get to it with them. I'm also going to use this red shade here, guys. It's called You're Kidding, just to put a little bit more definition in the eyes. So now, guys, the eyes are done, well, kind of done. I am going to put a few detail lines in when I've done the full face, but now it's time to get the base colour down and then start. Actually, I'm going to start with the special effects sort of style that I'm going to go for now first, and then I can put the colour on top of that. So let's start with the special effects. So you're going to want to start with some liquid latex. I have got some in a little pot because I've just separated it. But first, please, if you are going to try use liquid latex, do a patch test 24 hours before using it, because if you are allergic and you do not know, then the test will show that, and you just don't use it if you are allergic, because obviously a lot of people can be allergic to liquid latex. But yeah, I know I'm not because I've used it many a time. So liquid latex and some trusty toilet roll. Right guys, so now the first coat is on. It's getting a bit tight around my mouth because I've put this one quite close, but that's fine. Let each individual layer set. So obviously if you put liquid latex on top of liquid latex that's not set, it won't sit very well, so you need to let that dry. So let each individual layer dry, but just keep layering it up. Right guys, I do apologise for the way that I'm talking. It is very tight around my mouth and I can't really move it very well. But now we are going to rip this open a little bit just so we can see more inside the mouth, and this looks like the flesh is peeling away. So taking tweezers, if you've got long fingernails, do it with your fingernails, tweezers, any sort of sculpting tool, let's just rip it open a little bit. And don't worry if any of it does tear, it will just add to the effect. I'm probably going to add some tears in it myself anyway. Right guys, so now the mouth is ripped open, we are going to do the full face. I am going to also put a little bit of latex here just to create a bit of texture on the skin. But yeah, that's only going to be like one single coat just on the top of the forehead. And then let's get this base colour down. So I am going to be using a grey Snazaroo face paint to grey ourselves up. But don't worry guys, I will be mixing other colours as well. So just then guys, all I did was just scratch my fingernail over the latex that I'd stuck down to create this sort of fleshy style. So now I have got the grey on guys, I'm going to rub it a little bit just to blend it a little bit more and look less blocky grey. I also am going to go over the eyes a little bit more just to darken them up. So now I'm going to take them shades and just put them on the speckled weird bit of flesh sort of thing I've got going on up here. Now I'm going to be taking the Marron Bruise palette and just darkening up this face. Taking the same Marron Bruise palette, I'm going to just draw some lines coming out of the eyes as veins. Now we're going to focus on the mouth guys. So taking black Snazaroo face paint, let's paint all this in. Now here comes the fun part. A lot of blood. Like, a lot. So I have Marron coagulated, Marron squirt blood. I also have this bottle full of blood, so we're just going to use all of them. Every single bit of blood that I have. So there we have it guys, there's all the blood in place. Let's just get into character. And there we have it guys. Please rate, comment, add, subscribe to the channel, but stay tuned for more videos and pictures of the look.